Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a parental leave letter. What is a parental leave letter? A parental leave letter, also known as a maternity leave letter or paternity leave letter, is a formal document written by an employee to their employer or human resources department. It is used to formally request time off from work due to the birth or adoption of a child, to care for and bond with the child during their early weeks or months. This letter typically includes the employee's request for leave, the expected start and end dates of the leave, any relevant details about the child's birth or adoption, and a plan for how the employee's duties will be handled during their absence. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a parental leave letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your information. You need to write your full name, home address, and contact information like phone number and email address. After that, write the date of the letter. You need to use the format of month, date, and year. And then, write the information about the recipient. Here, you need to write the full name. Under it, write the title or occupation or job position in the company. In this example, the letter is addressed to the Human Resources Manager. Of course, you need to write the name of the company. Here, it is XYZ Enterprises. After that, write also the address of the office or company. When you do it, don't forget to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After completing the information, you can now open the letter with a salutation. Simply write, "Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, this will be an introduction. Yes, tell the reason why you are writing this letter. Of course, you need to clearly state that you are requesting for a parental leave. So, you may write, I am writing to formally request parental leave as per XYZ Enterprises policies. And then, tell the details of the reason for your leave. It means, you have to explain the reason for requesting parental leave, which is the expected birth of your child. When you do it, don't forget to add leave details. Write the leave start date. Yes, mention the planned start date of your parental leave, for example as December 20th, 2023. So, you may write, my spouse is expecting the birth of our child on December 10th, 2023. And I plan to take parental leave to bond with my newborn, and support my family during this special time. You may simply copy this if you don't know what to write. In the second paragraph, write the return date. Here, you should state your anticipated return date, which is March 1st, 2024, but indicate your flexibility to notify of any changes. So, the writer here stated, my intention is to begin my parental leave on November 20th, 2023, which will be approximately 8 weeks after the birth of my child. I anticipate returning to work on February 1st, 2024. But I will notify you promptly if there are any changes to this schedule. Sure, you can adjust it based on your needs. Make sure you check the company's policies regarding parental leave before you write the letter. In the third paragraph, you can talk about your work arrangements. Of course, you cannot just leave and done. You should think about your transition plan. In this case, you must describe your commitment to organizing your responsibilities. For example, you may write, during my absence, I will make sure that all my responsibilities are well organized, and that there is a smooth transition of my duties to my colleague, Sarah Davis. Make sure you have talked about this to your colleague. You cannot just randomly mention any colleague and leave all your job to the person without communicating it. Yes, ensure a smooth transition to a colleague during your absence, so the recipient will approve your leave request. You may write something like, I am committed to ensuring that my leave will not disrupt our team's workflow. In the fourth paragraph, talk about supporting documents. Sure, you have some attachments along with this letter. And you have to mention them, so the recipient will check it immediately after reading your letter. For example, the writer here mentioned the attached documents, such as medical confirmation of your spouse's pregnancy and due date. And if you do the same, you may write, please find attached the required documentation, including medical confirmation of my spouse's pregnancy and the expected due date. Write also that you understand the company's policies. And write how you are eligible for this benefit. Simply, you can write, I understand that I will be eligible for company benefits during my parental leave as per XYZ Enterprises policies. Different company has different policies. You just need to check them before writing this leave request letter. In the 5th paragraph, you can start to request for support. In this case, you can kindly request support and understanding in granting the leave. I kindly request your support and understanding in granting me this leave. And don't forget to emphasize the significance of this life event. Talk about how important it is to be a parent, and be there for the family, especially for the newborn baby. So, you can write, becoming a parent is a significant life event. Show also your excitement in welcoming your newborn baby. Write something like, I am eager to take the time needed to care for my family, and be there for my newborn child. Sure, you can copy this or modify based on your preference. In the 6th paragraph, talk about additional procedures for a parental leave request. Different company has different procedures. Therefore, you can offer to complete any additional procedures or forms as required. Simply write, if there are any further procedures or forms that I need to complete, please let me know. And I will ensure they are promptly submitted. And for the closing paragraph, write an appreciation for the recipient. Express gratitude for attention to the matter, and anticipation of a positive response. For example as, thank you for your attention to this matter. I look forward to your positive response, and appreciate your support in making this transition as smooth as possible. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name, and job position in the company. So, that's how you write a parental leave letter step by step. This format provides a clear structure for a parental leave letter, ensuring that all necessary information is included in an organized manner. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.